All right, here's some more clearance at Walmart on school supplies. So if you guys are still looking for school supplies, these notebooks, it looks like they're one subject notebooks, went from 88 cents to 25 cents. Looks like they only have the green, red, yellow, and blue. Look at that, you guys. There's UPC, 25 cents. You can't go wrong. 4 for $1. Here's the red one. All right, I'm going to show you the yellow. There you go. All right, and they also have the blue. Look at this. Again, this is Pen and Gear, one subject notebooks. It comes with 70 sheets and it's wide ruled. There's a UPC. And again, you guys cannot go wrong. 25 cents. And they have quite a few. So if these don't go at 25 cents, these will probably be like 10 cents next week. And we'll let you know. Stay tuned. Guys, my husband's crazy. Again, we're in the clearance. Look at this, you guys. Another angel on the go first. Another angel on the go first. Look at this. We found all of these True Time. Is it True Time? Oh, True and Time. Two and Time. Two and Time. Two or Time and True. You guys, I'm so excited. When you guys hear me mumbling and messing up on words, you guys already know we found some good clearance. These went from $8.88 to $2.50. Look at these. These will make great Christmas gifts. You guys, we have neighbors. We have family members. Look at this, you guys. Look at these grandpa ones. What is this? Oh, it's a watch. Let me see if I can open it.
Like a pocket watch.
Yeah, let me put this here. Are you balancing?
No.
I can't open it. Okay, we'll open it later. But look at this, you guys. And they have more here. So do you want me to put the rest up there so you can hold them all? All right, you guys. We're going to see what else we can... Oh, there you go. There you go, dropping them.
You did it.
You guys, we are in the garden section right here. And we just scored another one. Look at this. It's the Element, the greener weighted water, Soaker Pro. And it's a 50-foot. So it's huge. It has a 7-year warranty. The soaker hose used by professional landscapers. Look at that, you guys. So it's a water hose. Basically, it's a water hose. There's a UPC, you guys. And we're going to show you the price. We just scanned it. Look at this, you guys. $2.25 for a big 50-foot water hose. Unbeatable. How much they go for online?
20.
Okay, they go for about $20 and we're paying $2.25. As we're speaking to you guys right now, I just found something else. Look at this, you guys. This is the Expert Gardener and it's a 3,800 square foot sprinkler. It has 19 spray nozzles and adjustable spray coverage, long-lasting gear drive motor. So this is a sprinkler. It's a 2-year warranty. There's the UPC. Only on Angel on the Go. All right, you guys, here's the back. And this is what the sprinkler looks like. Again, it's 3,800 square foot. There you guys go. Here's the UPC. And look at the price. It went from $14.92 to only $3.80. $3.80. So we're going to scan this on different platforms to see if this is worth our time. But again, this is what it looks like. And again, Angel on the Go first, it went from about $15 to $3.80. Good luck with your search. Look at this, you guys. Look how pretty this is. This is the Better Homes and Gardens, and it's a side table. Look at the color. This is the size right here. And again, it's a let's see, Radley iron side table. Look at this, copper finish. Look at this color. Comes with the base, also the top, and you can open the top and put stuff in it. Here's the UPC, and this was $60. Now it's only down to $35. Look at how nice this is. $35, you guys. So it's about 50% off. Here's another side table. Look at that color. This is Kenwick side table, 17-inch ceramic. There's the UPC. And this one is also Better Homes and Gardens. This one's $30. So this one's $30. But this right here is $35 on clearance. And we're actually in the garden center. And it's hot over here. We're in the garden center. They have a ton of clearance. So these are going to go down, you guys. We're going to keep an eye on these. Look at the price right now. So you save $223.50. So this is $670.50. Look at this, you guys. They have a ton down here. They have a bunch of fire pits. And you guys, these are going to go down in price. So make sure you guys click on that notification bell so you guys don't miss any of our videos. Look at this set. Right now, this set is $100. It says $99.99. This is Better Homes and Gardens. Look at that blue. So again, these side tables, this brown copper one is $35. The white one is $30. They got these pillows right here for $5. These are $19. Here's some more $5 pillows. They got a bunch of Better Homes and Garden pillows. Oh, look at this, you guys. If you guys need, what is this? To put gas?
Gas.
Oh, gasoline container, you guys. If you guys are looking for this, that's the name, Scepter. And again, it's a gasoline container. It's 1 gallon. Oh, it comes with a nozzle too?
Funnel.
Oh, funnel.
But it has the easy to pour little knob here.
What's that for?
To spill proof, so you just push it when you want it to come out.
Nice. Everyone should have one of these in their car just in case you guys run out of gas. But look at the price. Look at that. $2.75. You cannot go wrong.
And that's $10 to $12 normal price.
Okay, so the normal price is what?
About $10 to $12.
All right.
Oh, there you go.
Matter of fact, right here, you guys, look at this. Regular price is $10.96 down to $2.75. There's the UPC. And again, you can't go wrong with this. So again, we're in the garden section and we're searching around. Now, what's this? If you guys need some engine oil, 75 cents. This is the Black Max. I have no clue, you guys. Comment below because I don't. My husband works on the car. There's the UPC. So again, these are only 75 cents. And we're going to see what else we can find.
These are for boats. Again, not sure what they're for. Whatever.
Let us know in the comments. It says a fuel spray. Eliminates fuel spray. So
Yeah.
we have no clue. But we want you guys to take a look at this. Now, you remember the other Walmart. How much was it on the other Walmart? 21? 20 something?
I forgot. It's 20 something, yeah.
Okay, it was 20 something. And this is our second Walmart. And this Walmart, it actually says $31.40. Regular price again is $39.24, about $40. But when we scanned it, it's only coming up. Matter of fact, let me scan it. All right, now I gotta hurry up and get this
Not ready.
Walmart.
Not prepared.
I'm not ready, you guys. Uh-oh. Hold on, you guys. All right. Let me see. Okay. Look at that, you guys. Are you able to see?
Yeah. $9.80. So the other store came up $7.05.
Yeah, $7.05 the other store. This store is about $2 cheaper, but
More.
if we can get these off around $40, $40?
35, 40.
Yeah, it's worth the $2. So again, every Walmart is different, you guys. You guys can't expect to go to one Walmart and it be just the same price for every Walmart. Every Walmart is different. That's why it's so important to use the Walmart app. So we got about 3 more of these, and you better sell these because I have no clue what it is. Again, there's the UPC. You got it? Okay. So again, that's a great seller. My husband already listed it on Amazon, so hopefully it will sell by today.
It's going to.
Okay, this is a Shoreline Marine. This is the first time I'm seeing this, so I'm seeing it with you guys. Portable clamp-on, navigational, light combo, battery operated, all around stern, boat lights.
So what is it? You just read it. What is it?
It's something that you clamp onto your boat for navigation.
Maybe. Sure, I'll go with that.
Okay, let us know if you guys have a boat. But it requires the 3 AAA batteries. It says dual mount clamp on. So again, when you guys are selling on different platforms, you guys don't need to do the research on exactly what it is. What we do, because we're so swamped, we're so busy, especially with kids, that we scan this on the platforms, Amazon, eBay. Once it comes up as a great price, and then we see the clearance price, we're gonna get it. And some of this stuff just sells before we even leave the store.
Yeah, absolutely. So a lot of times you guys, it's not what you guys, that was weird. You guys don't want to look at things as if something that you would buy. Don't have that mindset. Whether you're going to buy it or not, somebody is going to buy this stuff. There's different ways that you can check to make sure, but somebody will buy this for sure, and this is going to go about $40.
$40. So the regular price here, it says $29.96. It's down to $7.50. Now, did you scan it? Is that $7.50?
Yeah.
Okay, so we already scanned it, you guys. It's actually coming up $7.50, but that's a great price, because if we could flip this for $40, $45, then it's a win all day. Let me show you that's the back of it. So again, if you guys can tell us exactly what this is, it looks like it's some kind of mounting bracket. Let us know.
Okay.
And here's the UPC. And again, it's only $7.50. We end up getting 2. We don't have a boat, but hopefully if we sell a bunch of this boat stuff, we can buy a boat. And on the side of the boat, we're gonna put Angel on the Go clearance couple. All right, so we also found this Easy Throw 3 clay target throwers. What is this?
I don't know. No idea. Oh, I think it's like a shot put. So like they use that to throw the clay, and then the other person gets to aim and try to shoot it.
We don't know. All right, but we want to show you guys. It's a 5-year warranty, made in the U.S. Power pivot arm. So I have, oh, there we go. All right.
Yeah, we can't see that on camera.
You can't? You can't see this?
You can see it going back and forth a little bit.
Okay. So that's what it looks like, you guys. You guys can see the price. $1. $1. If you guys want to start again selling on eBay and Amazon, look for dollar prices, because you guys can easily flip this. This thing is super light. All you have to do is throw it in a poly bag and put tape on it, print out the label, and you're set. That's what the back looks like. So I guess you just throw it. I don't know. There's the UPC in case you guys are looking for something like this. All right, and again, this is the Easy Throw 3 clay target thrower. Only $1. Only on Angel on the Go. That's all. Matter of fact, nope, we found one more. Okay, this is the last thing we found at this Walmart. I'm gonna get this for myself. I love anything leopard. This is the True in Time, or Time and True. This is the vegan leather. It has a 1-year warranty, and this is what the back looks like. This is a cute watch, you guys. Remember, Christmas, you got birthdays. I mean, these can even go in Easter baskets, Valentine's. You guys have a girlfriend, grab these watches. You guys can make your own Valentine's, put some candy, some chocolate, and she'll love you forever. Hint, hint. You want to wait till February to get this to me?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you.
Oh man, yeah.
Okay, but look, you guys, this is only $2.50. And it was $8.88, but $2.50, you cannot go wrong. And I might just put this on in the car. Super cute watch. So let us know if you guys score any of this stuff in the comments below. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell, which is going to be here, 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 here. It's hot. Stay tuned for the next video, and thanks for watching.